Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to explain about the political science question paper of 6th semester. Okay, 6th semester political science question paper, in which our paper is global politics. So the subject will be about global politics. It is of 2025. You can see here the time limit is 3 hours and the maximum marks are 80. Okay, so let's not waste the time. Let's get into the question paper pattern. So in section A, if you look at this paper, you have 8 questions. They have given you 8 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. Okay, they have given 8 questions, right? You need to write any 5. You can see here, you can look here, 5 questions. So you have to choose any 5 questions and you need to answer them. 5 fours are 20 marks. So in part A, which means section A, you'll be getting 20 marks. Okay, coming to section B, here you'll be having 5 questions. You can see here 5 questions you'll be having, and each question carries 12 marks, totally 60 marks. Okay, you'll get totally 60 marks. Each question carries 12 marks. Fine. So in each and every question, again you'll be having a choice. You can look here, A or B, A or B. So in each and every question you will be having choice. You have to choose any one question and you have to write. You should not write like there are 10 questions here, any 5 you should not choose in these 10 questions. In 9th question you have to choose A or B only, and again in 10th question you have to choose A or B only. Okay, I think you came to degree, of course you will be knowing, but still few people will be there who don't know. I'm saying for them, not for you. Okay, so yeah, in these 5 questions you will be having internal choice, in which A or B, any one you have to choose and you have to give the answer, and that one question you will be getting 12 marks if you write properly. And one more thing, one more suggestion I want to give is, you have to write one answer at least for 4 pages. See here, they have mentioned you is not exceeding 4 pages, which means 4 pages ni minchaguddu. అంటే మరి 5 pages 6 pages అనవసరంగా దూరం రాసి మొత్తం పేపర్స్ని వేస్ట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఓన్లీ 4 pages in which you have to have some quality matter. Okay, so quality of matter is important rather than some hundreds of pages, right? So that is what they have mentioned. The answer should not exceed 4 pages. 4 pages kante ekkuva answer rayalsina avasram ledu, and in 4 pages you have to write some qualitative matter. Okay, so should I read out the questions? Okay, I'll read out, just listen. So in part A, which means section A, you'll have questions like define soft power, liberalization, cyber terrorism, UDHR, ozone depletion, neo Baruch plan, biological weapons. So these are the questions in which you have to choose only 5 and you have to give the answer. And in section B, if you see, A, define power and explain the intangible elements of power, or else what is power and explain its significance in the modern period. So the questions will be having 5 units in every semester, right? So in those 5 units, from every unit you will be getting 2 questions. Okay, so in A or B, both questions are related to 1 unit only, don't forget that. So in every unit you need to get prepared. Okay, so define power and explain the intangible elements of power. What is power and explain its significance in the modern period. Coming to 10th question A, discuss the impact of globalization on the economy and international trade. Examine the role of technology in shaping globalization and its impact on global politics. Then 11th question A, discuss the role of UNO in curbing terrorism. B, describe the genesis of international terrorism. In 12th question A, explain the structure and functions of United Nations organization, which means UNO again. Again here B, discuss the major issues in North-South dialogue. Then A, 13th A, explain the causes for the failure of disarmament in international relations. B, explain weapons of mass destructions and how they cause a threat to global security. So these are all the questions which are very much important to you guys. Prepare well and give your exam very well. And one more request is that share to your friends as much as possible, because they also need to know the question paper pattern and model paper, so that they also can write exam well. First go through the question paper pattern and give attempt so well. Okay, so yeah, my request is to share to everyone, share to your all friends, so that they'll keep you also in their prayers, and they'll definitely thank you for sharing this question paper pattern. Okay, okay then, see you in next video, and ask me if you want any question papers. I'll try to provide you. And one more thing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.